Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the best Forex brokers with THB trading accounts. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Thai baht, denoted by the currency code THB, is the official currency of Thailand. As one of the key currencies in Southeast Asia, the Thai baht plays a crucial role in regional trade and finance. In the realm of Forex trading, the Thai baht is actively traded against other major currencies, making it an integral part of international currency markets. Forex traders closely monitor the exchange rates involving the Thai baht, assessing economic indicators, political developments, and global market trends. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Thai baht trading accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Thai baht trading accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have SuperForex. SuperForex is a dynamic and innovative online Forex broker dedicated to providing a cutting-edge trading experience for its global clientele. SuperForex's commitment to offering a secure and regulated platform ensures that traders can navigate the Forex market with confidence. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, SuperForex's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and trading tools make it an ideal destination for those seeking to capitalize on international currency markets. SuperForex offers a diverse array of market instruments to cater to the trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a variety of financial assets through their platform, including major and exotic currency pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, global indices, and cryptocurrencies. This extensive selection of trading instruments provides traders with the flexibility to diversify their portfolios and explore various trading strategies. SuperForex extends a warm welcome to new traders with its enticing welcome bonus offer. Upon registering with SuperForex, traders are greeted with an exclusive welcome bonus that serves as an extra boost to their initial deposit. This bonus provides traders with additional trading capital, enhancing their ability to explore the markets and place trades, and potentially increase their profits. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader floor trading platform, as well as the proprietary SuperForex mobile application. The accounts they offer are categorized into straight-through processing and electronic communication accounts. Their STP accounts include the standard, swap-free, no-spread, micro-cent, Profi STP, as well as crypto accounts. Their electronic communication network accounts include the standard ECN account, standard mini, swap-free ECN, swap-free mini, and the ECN crypto account. SuperForex's ECN accounts provide traders with a direct connection to a network of liquidity providers, resulting in fast and reliable order execution. These account types are ideal for traders who require top-tier market access, transparency, and competitive pricing. SuperForex offers a valuable array of educational resources to empower traders of all levels with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a variety of educational materials, including informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars, covering topics ranging from the basics of Forex trading to advanced trading strategies and analysis techniques. This ensures that both beginners and experienced traders can access relevant content to enhance their trading skills. Furthermore, SuperForex's educational resources are readily available on their website, making it convenient for traders to access the information they need to make informed trading decisions and improve their overall trading proficiency. At number 4 on our list is JustForex. JustForex is another popular name in the CFD and Forex industry. Traders who use JustForex can expect a plethora of social trading opportunities, access to managed accounts, comprehensive market analysis, and more. JustForex is also popular for offering a choice between different retail trading accounts with the option of commission-free trading. Specializing in Forex, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 Standard Cent, Standard, Pro, and Raw Spread accounts, as well as MetaTrader 5 Standard, Pro, and Raw Spread accounts, with access to swap-free accounts, no commissions on the Standard Cent, Standard and Pro accounts, $1 and $100 minimum deposits, and more. JustForex also provides Forex articles and educational videos on a wide range of topics, as well as a Forex glossary to help traders with the terminology used in the market. The education section on the website contains a list of JustForex training articles and a series of educational videos that teach more about the Forex market, tools and platforms in the foreign exchange market, and trading Forex strategies. JustForex also offers a range of research tools, including stock market analysis, Forex technical analysis, market news, market overviews, daily forecasts, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational material with JustForex. Coming in at number 3, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 2 on our list is IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia. Specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. IG only offers two main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Thai baht trading accounts, we have Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Thai baht trading accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.